Hello, in front of me I have Mibro Watch X1 and I'm gonna show you how to change the time format on this watch. Before we start, if you want to change the time format on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Mibro Fit application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Mibro Fit application on the phone that is paired with our watch. After the application opens, you should see the home page. Now tap on the device icon and here scroll down through the device page. Find the option called Preferences Settings and tap on it, and here we have option called 12-hour clock. And if you want to use the 12-hour format, enable the switch next to 12-hour clock, and the time format should change to the 12 hours. If you want to use the 24-hour format, simply disable this option and the clock will change to 24-hour format. And once you're done, you can close the application. And that's how you change the time format on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.